Hey guys, welcome to another episode, and today I want to introduce to you DELTA STRATUS SA, which is one of the latest products that we developed at Dörken system. This is a fully adhered air and water resistive barrier that is vapor permeable with additional unique feature that, unlike other products on the market, it has a acrylic coating on the top. And this acrylic coating, actually what it does, it gives the product an extra UV protection, so you can have the product exposed for much longer period of time, and you're still going to get the benefits and the characteristics of the product that you purchased originally. We want to make sure that we stand behind the products, and this is why this product was developed. You gotta think what those products are designed to do. They have to be airtight, watertight for the lifetime of the building. However, the first thing we do, we put it on the building and leave it exposed to UV. UV will damage membranes like this. That's why this product was developed. Additional benefit of this acrylic coating on it is when you do an overlap, you do not have to have any tapes on it. The products adhere very well to itself because of this acrylic coating, so it also saves time during installation. The product is available in 3 different roll sizes, 4 feet 11 by 15 feet that you see over here. It has a split release in the middle for the ease of installation. It is also available in smaller rolls, especially for detailing around windows, doors, and penetrations, which is 19.5 and 9.5. Both rolls have a split release in the middle to make it easier for the installer. And again, the product can be exposed up to 180 days. So if you have any questions, would you like to have some more information about the product, contact us, contact your local field rep. They'll be more than happy to provide you with that information and anything that you're looking for. The product is fully approved, has an ICC approval, it has NFPA 285 approvals. So if you're looking for longer UV exposure, DELTA STRATUS is the product that you want to look for. Thank you. Take care.